How to fix Instagram Notes feature not showing. Now we go open the Instagram app, and when we go to the messages, you can see the plus icon on my profile circle. And this is the Notes feature. If ever you don't have this, you should go to your profile tab, click on the three bars, go to settings, click on the privacy, scroll down until you see the activity status. You have to turn this on to see your notes. Now go ahead to messages again and check if your notes is showing. If that didn't work, go out of Instagram and head over to App Store. Search Instagram and make sure that this is updated. If your version is the latest and you still don't have the notes feature, we're gonna go back to Instagram again. Click on your profile tab, the three bars on the top right corner of the screen, click on settings, and go to help. Report a problem and just tell that you cannot see the notes feature on Instagram and you need help to get this feature as soon as possible. Send it to the Instagram team, and after some days, they should get back to you. That is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.